Mountains. It's not the mountains ahead to climb that wear you out. It's the pebble in your shoe. Muhammad Ali. Logic does not live in hearts and the mind is no place for love. Passion asks no questions and reason looks for answers. A smile fills an eye and a hug doesn't satisfy the hungry. Soil craves for seeds and the leaves don't grow on the soul. Beauty is nothing without eyes and a flute only sings for air. Not all steps are taken for the journey and dance takes you nowhere. Rivers run one way and wind can blow in all directions. Thoughts need no tires and a song craves for ears. Not all that live need oxygen and stones do not breathe. Yet nothing is unworthy. All things have a purpose. What is the purpose of life? Golf? Ha ha ha. Golf or no golf. We only live once. Yes, in life we need food, shelter and family. We should work hard for that. Yet that's not all life is about. We can cherish life. We can celebrate it. As Rumi says, mortal, every will taste death but only a few will taste life. Simplicity makes life easier but fashion makes it colorful. Grains are our lifeline but flowers make life more interesting. Although we need to quench our hunger in order to survive, flavor makes the meal tasty. Money buys great comforts and good health helps you enjoy life. Those who desire more than the essentials do work more and harder. They are the ones who cross boundaries and break records. They take risks and sometimes come so close to demise. Only those who risk going too far can possibly find out how far they can go. T.S. Eliot. No doubt, doing more than the ordinary requires a bit of wildness, a bit of dare and a bit of craze. Not all who go beyond are crazy. Not all those who are mad make achievements. Somewhere there is a salt. Somewhere there is a drop. Somewhere there is a click. That wisdom doesn't grasp that takes you beyond. And it's not a normal thing. Normal is not something to aspire to. It is something to get away from. Jodie Foster. It's alright as long as luxury remains luxury. It poses a problem when luxury becomes a necessity. It's alright as long as we want to stand taller than the others. It creates a problem when domination grows as a habit. It's alright as long as you govern to serve. It becomes a danger when we make it our right to govern. Only from the heart can you touch the sky. Rumi.